little road trip with our grandkids, going to Dinosaur World. Alert! Dinosaurs have been seen in Kentucky. Road trip with the grandkids. Today we're at Dinosaur World. We're going to take you guys with us. There are dinosaur worlds located in Kentucky, Texas, and Florida. You enter into their gift shop. 5,000 square feet of all kinds of dinosaur-related items. You come through the gift store to get your tickets. We'll show you the gift shop more in detail at the end of the video. And these were the prices when we were there. They give you an armband, which gets you into the attraction. There are some extra expenses inside that you can spend if you wish. There's also a movie theater.
Because of his poor condition, his body is not healing well. It appears he broke his middle toe in the fall, and it is now badly infected. Too weak to hunt. He'll be lucky to survive much longer.
Their playground was a hit with the kids as well, and they encourage you to bring a cooler, drinks, and healthy snacks because they don't really sell food. They have a dino walk where you meet life-size dinosaurs close up. The first time we came here several years ago, our grandson was only 3, and he thought the dinosaurs were real. So he was absolutely terrified. Each dinosaur on display had a plaque of exactly how you say their name and details about the dinosaurs that you're viewing. Even their trash cans are dinosaurs at Dinosaur World.
Well, come on, let's go catch up with Daddy.
Okay.
All right. Carson's having a great time this time. He knows they're not real, and he's not screaming and crying and hysterical. So that's good. Most of the dino walk was a well-shaded path, which was a great relief from the heat as it was a very hot day when we were there. The path is paved and it's an easy walk. Some of these dinosaurs are so large you can understand how small children could be overwhelmed by them. I think every child at some point goes through a stage where they love dinosaurs, and this is very educational for them because you learn about each of the dinosaurs, and later on we're going to do a lot of hands-on things concerning dinosaurs as well. We loved the mammoth garden because you could actually sit on a woolly mammoth. Then we took the side path to see the giant dinosaur that sits right next to the expressway. There's only been 37 T-Rex attacks. That's not bad. This T-Rex was massive. The last time we were here, Kaysen wouldn't go anywhere near it. There are so many great photo ops all through the park. It's so fun. Then we made our way to the Jurassic Jungle, where it was air conditioned. Jurassic Jungle. This attraction was new from the last time we were there. I think Pampy was the one terrified this visit. The kids loved this hands-on exhibit where they reached in the hole to feel the dinosaurs and tried to guess which one it was.
Here, you do this one. You think this one, I'll think this one.
Wait, no, 1 second.
That's okay, ready? 3.
Yep.
Okay.
Triceratops.
Yes!
Oh man, that's okay then.
Guess the dinosaur inside.
You're facing this way. I
One
think
of
my hand
those
is-
three.
No, not that one. I think it's this one. It's this one. Because look at feel the top, and there's like.
Yeah, this one.
I think it's this one.
Yes!
They had a new attraction called Dig Zone, and it was so cool. It was also air conditioned inside. See, they're excavators. You can actually dig for bones. She is an excavator operator, digging for bones. There you go.
I did it!
Yay! Now, Kaysen is an excavator operator, digging for dinosaur bones. Now, he's got a giant magnet. He's going to pick up some steel blocks. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Woo! You got one, Kaysen?
And I have to put it on that block. On that one. Or that one. The big block? That one.
There you go, Kaysen. You're getting the hang of it.
Up and over.
Now we need this.
Put it down.
And wait. Now
Yes, right there, perfect.
Yeah, release. There you go.
Okay, that kind of failed.
Now Addie is the operator of the giant magnet. Can she get another block and put it on top? You got it.
No, I don't.
Oh, good job, Addie!
Wait, yeah. Wait, that's good. That's enough. That's enough.
Oh, that scared me half to death.
Come on, Pampy. With the log. He's gonna get it. Oh.
How about giving it up? There we go.
Yay, he got it.
Grammy's turn. Let's see what she can do.
It's her turn.
All right.
But can Grammy do it? I wonder. Pampy got the log. Is she already gonna get a log though? Is she smarter than Pampy?
There were so many really cool places to take pictures all throughout the park. I think Grammy needs help. It looks like Pampy does too. Welcome to the Boneyard, where they can dig for bones. How fun.
Step around if you feel any hard bumps. Those are balls. These are real bones. And guys, these are real bones. Come here. Whoa!
And Kayson's gonna ride a dinosaur.
Oh, his mouth's moving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's blubberless. He can't even giddy up. I think I made him mad.
Oh no. He doesn't do a lot, does he?
No.
Then we were off to play some mini golf. This was included in the price of our admission tickets.
I haven't played golf in a long time. Oh, second.
His first, he got a hole-in-one. There are picnic tables in this area as well. Also, if you wanted to leave the park, get lunch, and then come back, you could do that as long as you had your bracelet to re-enter.
Do y'all know how to do this by chance?
All right, guys,
I
there you go.
definitely know because I went. One little things.
Whoa, you got some big ones.
I know. Wait, I think I got amethyst.
Yeah.
Oh, big one. Yeah, that's
Fool's gold.
Oh my God.
I got four.
Yeah, this is real.
That's why the things cost so much. Okay, well, if I can get your thing open.
I don't have. I already got emerald. That's That's nice. I like emeralds. Emerald is one of my favorites. Ah, come on. Isn't like any gonna come? I know that's emerald. I love emeralds.
Can we have the cord?
Yeah. And then you got one more.
Yes. Oh,
Ooh.
that's a big amethyst. Okay. Ooh, I have lots of mini ones. I have lots of
And now we'll take a closer look in more detail of this 5,000 square foot gift shop. With so much to choose from, it took our grandchildren a long time to decide what they wanted as souvenirs. You could get a set of amethyst wings for $2,595 or an amethyst tree for $5,000. The items were quite pricey, especially for the gemstones and the geodes. They even had some prehistoric artifacts that you could purchase. Some of the artifacts were genuine and some were reproductions. But where else do you know that you could go and find and buy an actual dinosaur bone? Even their bathrooms had dinosaurs. There was anything and everything dinosaur related you could find here in this 5,000 square foot store. They even had an actual T-Rex tooth.
This here gift shop is so cool. I might be 71, but I love dinosaurs. Dinosaur fossils. I mean, I could spend 3-4 hours in here just looking at all the fossils and everything. So cool. So this is in Cave City, Kentucky. It's about an hour and 15 minutes from our house. This is so awesome.
If you would like to see more of our retirement adventures, click the video that just popped up on your screen.